guys, welcome to another California Relic Adventure. Mark, Andrew, and I are venturing out. We're actually walking down this creek. Quite a bit of gold miner activity in here. We don't really have a plan or a site we're going to. We're just kind of exploring today, so we'll hike down here. Hopefully we get across something. Andrew dug a nice relic. Dude, that's a long one too. Look at that pick.
Yosemite Sam.
Nice.
So Andrew called me over and he said, Mark, you're going to be mad. And he's got a two-piece wreath. So it's broken. We'll try to see if we can find the other keeper part of it.
You know, just have a little rigid design around it.
Nice. He's right here by the river too. Look at this. Or the creek. So, pretty cool, man. Keep looking to see if we find the other part of it. Back over here with Andrew again. He just dug that wreath right here. Did not find the other keeper part of it. Searched all around here, but he was working his way this way and he's just a few feet away. What'd you get?
Got a little coin right in here.
Let's see it. Oh yeah, in the dirt still, huh?
Yeah.
There's a coin in the dirt right here. Chinese coin. Nice.
Oh yeah?
Look at that. Very thin, huh? Look at that.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Cool.
There's a really good website we use to identify these. You can get the date and the ruler off of it, the mint mark, everything. And I don't think I've ever found one that I couldn't identify on that website. So.
Yeah, it's in decent shape.
California Gold Rush country, you know, the Chinese are in here everywhere. So we'll be able to get an idea on that for sure. Look how nice that is. Cool.
Little Chinese coin.
Just walking along the creek and came upon this pile of rocks, and it's obviously been hand stacked, but I guess your mind can wander, start imagining things and maybe trying to see if that might have been a fireplace or something. So Mark and Andrew over there, but I'll poke around here a little bit and see if I can get anything. Got a really low signal, single digits on the thing. I popped it out. Here it is, still a little bit in the clump. I saw the front a little bit. It looks like it's a little flat button. You see it had some gold gilt on it at one point. Yeah, you see the back coming through. Had some gold gilding on it. Just a little tiny flat button, but pretty cool little find.
Take a look at this. I get down in here. And there's a piece of a pick right here.
That is a pick.
I can confirm that it goes that way and that way, so we're going to dig it out real quick.
Hopefully it's in good shape.
Let's see if we get lucky and get the whole thing.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
I'm the only guy that hasn't got a pick today, so I'm on the board now. There we go. Broken right here.
Yeah. It's a nice one though.
Cool. Look at that.
Still wandering down the creek here. Just came upon this here. Obviously not natural. You can see it's kind of dug out, so thinking it's maybe an old home site or a cabin site or something. But you can see they dug this ditch to move water. So we'll poke around in here, see what we get. Just popped this out of the hole. Saw it was round, looked like a coin. Oh, there it is, Chinese coin. Dang it. That looked like a large cent. Got excited, but it's a nice looking Chinese coin. And that really nice detail. So that'll clean up really nice.
And so Ron called me over to listen to this target, and we were both getting 41, but we knew it was bigger than a coin. And he just rolled that dirt over and checked that out. Look at that. How awesome is that? That's a design we don't see very often. We have found it before, but that's all there.
Yeah.
It's folded.
But just the one half. It's
so,
crazy.
Very cool though.
It's a screaming 41.
Awesome. I love that design too.
Yeah, that's cool. Right on. All right, Andrew called me over. He's in a hole, getting down on it. Says he thought he saw an edge. So, oh, I see it too, dude.
See it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
There it is, dude. It is silver. Nice. Seated.
It is seated.
Yeah, rinse it off a little bit. And give it the old tongue bath.
Mm-hmm.
There it is, dude.
It's being pretty good shape.
Yeah. All right, Mark's in on a target. It's a 31.
Right here.
Right there. There it is. Oh, dude,
There it is.
That's
There it
a
is.
tongue.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's a tongue.
Let's see the eagle on there.
Yep. So,
All right.
Nice.
Woo! Let's get a brush on it. See, I think it's just a regular eagle, but all right. Yep.
That's what it is.
Nice.
Right on.
I'll see if I can find the other piece of it, but we're getting a lot of parts today.
Very nice.
There it
Cool.
is. Cool, man.
Right on. Okay, kind of a mid-low tone right here by these rocks. I'll move this rock out of the way and see if I can get the probe in there and hear something. Kind of coming through right in there. So pop this out, see if we get closer to it. Oh, there it is. There it is, right there. Son of a gun, dude.
Huh?
Broken tongue.
Tongue?
Just the belt keeper.
Oh.
Just the belt keeper. There it is.
Delta Andrew.
Bummer. There it is. Just the belt keeper. That's too bad. I'll hopefully that broken tongue piece is around here. We'll find it. Okay, I just got a 28 signal here. Right there, I dug a part of a tongue. So I was kind of hoping that I would get the right here, dude.
Oh yeah.
Just banger. I was kind of hoping I'd get the disc. I'll let Mark take over. See if we can pop this thing out of here. It was a clothier's, so
Yeah, missing the clothier disc.
the disc. Oh, dude, there it is.
There. Oh, look it. It's not a disc though.
no,
It's the
it's
other
a ring.
side. So I don't know if you can see that in the hole right there.
It's
It is a
broken
wreath.
too.
There's a wreath right there. See, there's some numbers on our machine
Dude,
we
look
get
at
excited
it.
about, and that's
It's a
one of them.
clothier's too.
Yeah.
So could match that tongue. They're both broken though. So
Awesome.
right on. Cool. Mark's calling that he's got a good one over here.
That sounds good. Oh, it's a sweet signal right there.
Nice and small too.
These are the kind of signals we usually admire for a while.
Yeah,
Yeah, that sounds good.
a little deeper.
Okay.
Perfect.
Right there. Still in here. There it is, right there. Is that it?
Dude. Nice.
Silver flash. Look at that.
Yep, look at it. See the shield on it.
Wow. Look at that.
Badass.
Dude, that's old.
bust, I think.
Good, I think it is a bust one.
Yep.
Yep, look at that.
Bust.
Wow.
Bust time. Turn
Wow.
around.
So wow.
Wow.
Sweet.
That is awesome. I'm trying to get a date for it. I don't know if you can see that date or not. You guys have good eyes, man.
See here. It's 1835.
35.
Yeah, I think
Last
so.
year a bust.
It's awesome.
Nice.
Wow. Just made it.
Yep, right on. All right, guys, we wrapped up. We're back at the house. Just do a little final video showing you what we dug. So, got some really nice iron relics. 2 complete picks. We actually dug 2 or 3 parts of other picks. Andrew got his lucky horseshoe, as he always does. He got a nice stamped shovel. It says Van Ant with a W something. I'm not sure. And it says cast on there. So that's a stamped shovel part. But Andrew got into some nice stuff. Obviously dug that coin. We were calling it a 90s, but once we got it cleaned up, it's an 1853 with arrows. So period coin out of there. Got some Chinese parts, opium tins, Chinese coin. Mark got into some good stuff as well. Bits of the Chinese coin. Got over that nice buckle tongue. And of course, possibly the find of the day is that 1835 bust dime. I got over a couple Chinese coins, a couple buckle parts, got a belt holder, and got the wreath. Got a latch, a Henry's, and that thing in the middle there is part of an opium pipe, I believe. And right next to it I got an opium tin lid as well. So that's our hunt. It was a really good day for not really having a plan, just going out and starting to walk around. So another great California relic adventure.